want this text.
First rule of Fight Club is, you do not talk about Fight Club. First rule of Fight Club is, you do not talk about Fight Club.
First, add the clips and auto-generate the captions. After that, copy the generated captions and paste them into the text tool. Then, select the new pixel font and adjust the clips according to your preference. Next, choose your preferred font and color. After that, go to the scale settings and set the character spacing to 2. Now, add the first keyframe at the starting and zoom in at the end. Apply this to all the text. Next, go to Animation and select Type 2 and Fade Out, or Slow Fade. Then go to Opacity and set it to 0. After that, open the Node app, add your clip, and export it. Next, import it into CapCut. Go to the Splice tool, select the Filter option, and set the opacity to full. Finally, export it.